Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 9 reproduction in animals. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied sexual reproduction, types of fertilization, okay, viviparous and oviparous animal and metamorphosis. So today we are going to discuss reproduction in human beings. Sexes, male and female gametes, okay, that male gamete and female gamete, okay. So the male gamete in animal is called the sperm and the female gamete in animals is called the ovum. Humans use sexual mode of reproduction. Okay, the humans use sexual mode of reproduction, the organ associated with the process of reproduction in human males. Okay, in human males and human females are different. So the reproductive system in males and females are different, which are known as male reproductive system and female reproductive system respectively. So the reproductive system in human beings become functional at a definite age called that puberty. Okay, मीन्स जो ये मेल सेक्स और फीमेल सेक्स जब डेवलप होते हैं, ओके, मेल में मेल सेक्स और फीमेल में फीमेल सेक्स, तो एक स्टेज होती है. सो दैट स्टेज, ओके, इज कॉल्ड द प्यूबर्टी. प्यूबर्टी मीन्स the age at which the sex hormones begin to be produced, okay, and the boy and girl become sexually mature, able to reproduce is called the puberty. Puberty means वो boy or girl they are capable to reproduce new things. That we study about the male reproductive system. Okay, the male reproductive organs include a pair of testes, two sperm duct. डक्ट क्या होती है, मीन्स जहाँ से स्पर्म को कैरी करके लेके आती है और जो सिक्रीट करते हैं. ओके, सो टू स्पर्म डक्ट्स एंड ए पेनिस. टेस्टिस आर द ओवल शेप्ड ऑर्गन lie outside the abdominal cavity of a male. Okay, so a male has two testes. Testes are the primary reproductive organs in male. The function of testes is to make the male sex cells called that sperm and also to make the male sex hormone called that testosterone. Okay, so that sperm is what? Get this, a human sperm, okay, means that male gamete, a sperm is about 0.05 mm long. A sperm has a head, a middle piece and a tail. A sperm is a single cell with nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. टेस्टिस रहते हैं वो सेक्स दैट सेल्स स्पर्म भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जो अभी आपने पढ़ा. ओके, एंड सेक्स हार्मोन भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट? टेस्टोस्टेरोन. ओके, सो टेस्टिस ऑफ ए मेन मेक द सेक्स गैमेट और स्पर्म. From that puberty onward, puberty means on that stage means they are capable to reproduce. Okay, mature stage. Okay, so puberty onwards throughout his life. Okay. Testes provide an optimal temperature for the formation of that sperm. Okay, so the testes, अभी जो testes है तो ये क्या? Provide an optimal temperature. So most suitable temperature means for the formation of that sperm. Forms a common passage for sperm and urine. मीन्स स्पर्म यूरिन को पास आउट करने के लिए एक ही मीन्स कॉमन डक्ट होती है. तो यूरेथ्रा कैरीज द स्पर्म to an organ called that penis, which open outside the body. So the penis passes the sperm from the man's body into vagina in the woman's body. Okay, so ये penis के through sperm pass out होता है into the vagina in the woman's body. During mating means जब वो mating means process होती है तो उसमें that sperm enter into vagina in the woman's. Okay, during that mating for the purpose of that reproduction, and then that process is going on about that reproduction. Next we study the female reproductive system. Okay, so the female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries. इसमें pair of ovaries होती है, just oviduct, okay, and uterus. Ovaries are the oval shaped organs which are inside the abdominal cavity of a woman's near the kidney. Okay, so a woman has two ovaries. Okay, a woman has two ovaries. Ovaries are the primary reproductive organ in women or females. So the function of ovaries is to make mature female sex cell, means that female gamete called that ova or eggs and also to make the female sex hormones called that estrogen and progesterone. Male gamete कहते हैं. So look at this. So an ovum or egg is round and about 0.15 mm in diameter. The ovum or egg is also a single cell having a nucleus, cytoplasm and the cell membrane. The function of ovary to make mature female sex and secrete that hormone. Okay, sex and secrete the sex hormone. So each ovary is composed of a several thousand of follicles. Okay, इसमें बहुत सारे follicles होते हैं which are a unripe ova. Okay, so at puberty these follicles mature to form the ripe egg और राइप ओवा रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द फर्टिलाइजेशन. तो जब प्यूबर्टी स्टेज आती है तो ये जो बहुत सारे फॉलिकल्स रहते हैं तो ये प्यूबर्टी स्टेज में मैच्योर हो जाते हैं फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन फॉर द फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस. Okay, so just above the ovaries are the tube called oviduct, which are also known as the fallopian tubes. So the oviducts are not directly connected to ovaries but have funnel-shaped opening which almost cover the ovaries. So the ovum or egg cell released by an ovary goes into the oviduct through its funnel-shaped opening. So the fertilization of egg by sperm takes place in the oviduct. के through that fertilization process takes place. Sperm fuse to the ova. Okay, that fertilization process takes place. Two oviduct connected to a bag-like organs called that uterus at their other end. So and that the growth and the development of a fertilized ovum, ये जो fertilized हो जाता है ये ovum, okay, with the help of that sperm, the sex cells of that male sperm, so into a baby, okay, fertilized ovum into a baby, so takes place in the uterus. तो uterus के अंदर तो जो fertilized ovum है वो किस में convert हो जाता है, baby में हो जाता है. Clear this one? It is obvious from the above discussion that the female reproductive system in human is more complex than that of the male reproductive system. So the complexity in structure and function of the female reproductive system is necessary for the union of that sperm and ovum inside the female body and the development of the baby in the mother's uterus. Clear this one? Now fertilization. So in human beings, internal fertilization takes place. You already that is studied about that fertilization means that there is types of fertilization, internal fertilization and external fertilization. So in human beings that internal fertilization takes place because that growth, development of that baby that inside the mother. Okay, so the sperm made in the testes of men are introduced into the vagina of the woman through penis during that copulation means that mating process. So in this way millions of sperm are released into vagina at one time. Okay, millions of sperm are released into the vagina at one time. मतलब एक टाइम में इतने सारे sperm release होते हैं. So the sperm are highly active and mobile. तो ये sperm कैसे रहते हैं, highly active रहते हैं. Mobile means that moving process होती है. The sperm move up through the cervix into the uterus. From that uterus the sperm pass into the oviduct. So one of the oviduct contain an ovum, okay, so released by the ovary during that ovulation. Only one sperm fuses with the ovum. मतलब release that बहुत सारे means sperm release होते हैं millions of sperm, but only one sperm fuses with the ovum means egg. So in the oviduct to form a zygote. तो एक ही sperm means क्या होगा, उससे एक ovum से fuse होता है, okay, and form the first cell that is zygote. So this is called the fertilization. Okay, so it is the fusion of male and female gamete to produce first cell, that is what, zygote. Okay, so the fertilization of the ovum takes place in the oviduct. Now development of embryo. Fertilization result in the formation of zygote which begins to develop into an embryo. तो मीन्स जो फर्स्ट सेल जो डेवलप होता है, ओके, दैट जाइगोट, तो उसी वो ही मीन्स कन्वर्ट हो जाता है एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म में. ओके, सो फर्टिलाइजेशन रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट. फर्टिलाइजेशन से जब फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस होती है तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या निकलता है, दैट जाइगोट विल फॉर्म. ओके, सो दैट जाइगोट विच बिगिंस टू डेवलप इनटू एन एम्ब्रियो, फिर वो क्या बन जाता है, एम्ब्रियो फॉर्म हो जाता है. सो द जाइगोट डिवाइड्स रिपीटेडली, फिर वो जाइगोट रिपीटेडली डिवाइड टू गिव राइज टू ए बॉल ऑफ सेल्स. ओके, एक बॉल ऑफ सेल्स फॉर्म करता है. सो द सेल्स देन बिगिन टू फॉर्म ग्रुप. ओके, फिर सेल्स क्या हो जाती है, बहुत सारी सेल्स मिलके ग्रुप फॉर्म करती है. सो दैट डेवलप इनटू
डिफरेंट टिश्यू. आपको पता है सेल, ग्रुप ऑफ सेल इज कॉल्ड द टिश्यू. फिर जो बहुत सारी सेल जो एक बॉल फॉर्म करती है तो उससे टिश्यू फॉर्म होता है. और बहुत सारे टिश्यू जब कनेक्ट होते हैं और ग्रुप ऑफ टिश्यू इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी. सो द सेल्स देन बिगिन टू फॉर्म ग्रुप्स then that develop into different tissues. Different tissue form the different organ of the body. So this developing structure is termed as an embryo. तो उसे ही क्या कहते हैं, embryo कहते हैं. So the embryo gets embedded in the wall of uterus. और वो किस में embedded होता है, that wall of uterus for the further development. तो जो embryo का जो further development है वो कहाँ पे होता है, यूटेरस में होता है. Okay, of that female body. So the embryo कंटिन्यू टू डेवलप इन द यूटेरस. फिर यूटेरस के अंदर डेवलप होते रहता है. ओके, सो इट ग्रेजुअली डेवलप्स बॉडी पार्ट्स सच एज हैंड, legs, head, eyes, ears, etc. So the stage of the embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called a fetus. तो उसे कौन सी स्टेज कहते हैं, fetus. Okay, so when the development of the fetus is completed, means उसके means जो भी आप organ जो parts है वो आप easily आप identify कर सकते हो. So that stage, okay, fetus is completed, the mothers give birth to the baby. तो clear this one.